Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about events, registering event handling in JavaScript, part of Web Technologies course. In JavaScript, events are actions or occurrences that happen in the browser, such as a button click, a page load, or a form submission. To respond to an event, you can register an event handler, which is a function that will be executed when the event occurs. There are several ways to register event handlers in JavaScript. One of the most common ways is to use addEventListener method. This method allows you to attach an event listener to an element and specify the event type and the function to be called when the event occurs. In this example, the addEventListener method is used to attach a click event listener to the button element with the ID of my button. When the button is clicked, the function inside the addEventListener method will be called and will display an alert message. Another way to register event handlers is by using event properties of an element. Some common event properties include onClick, onMouseDown, onMouseUp, onload, etc. In this example, the onClick property is used to attach a click event listener to the button element. When the button is clicked, the function inside the onClick property will be called and will display an alert message. It is worth noting that the addEventListener method allows you to attach multiple event listeners to the same element, while the event property overrides any previous event handlers that were set. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.